Hey friends, it's me, Laurel Beard. You probably have forgotten what I look like because it has been a long time since I've been on the channel, and I'm sorry about that. I've missed you guys. So I've been thinking about what I can do on the channel, and I am excited to announce a series that I'm going to do here. It's basically a love letter to all of us who have a craft room of supplies. But sit down and think, I've got to go buy that. No, you don't. We're not talking about new releases. We're not talking about whatever the latest trend is. I'm talking about inks, stencils, embossing folders, stamps, dies, heat embossing. Maybe you got pastes a long time ago. If they're not dried out, we can pull those out too. Shimmer sprays, whatever you have in your craft room, that is what I want you to use in this series. Do not go out and buy anything new. What is this? Do you see this hair sticking up? No. And what is the point of this series? First of all, it's all about using what you already have. I'm a big fan of that, not running out and buying something new. And also, I'm all about easy, not overcomplicated. Creating cards should not mean you're sitting at your table pulling your hair out because you can't get this measurement right or anything like that. You don't need an engineering degree to make the cards that I make here on the channel. They're pretty, they're stunning, but they're simple. No fussy steps, no heavy embellishing, just cards you can actually finish. Basically, we're going to stop overthinking and we're just going to have fun and create. And that's what this series is all about. So the series is each month, I'm going to focus on one item you already have in your craft room. We're going to create a bunch of cards using a lot of techniques, using what you already have. And each month, we're going to focus on a different supply. February is all about inks. And then March will be another supply. April, I already have the schedule, but I don't want to give you too many hints. So that is what this series is going to be all about. I'm calling it the Use What You Have series. And for this series, I'm going to have one video per month starting this month. And what did I say this month's about? Inks. So be sure you're subscribed, ring the bell, and I can't wait to get into this series with you.